The making of a transformation plan, well, that is not a do-it-yourself training, it is a do-it-together training. And a learning process that starts with an online lecture in your own time from your own organization. And during this online lecture, the research form you will use in your own organization is shared to you, and you will receive an explanation how you have to conduct this research. You will send the result of the survey to the trainer, and in a personal one-on-one online conversation you will go through the results, the conclusions, and you get all that is necessary to write your own transformation plan. At the end of the process, each participant of the training now has his own change plan for the digital transformation of their own organization. And it does not matter where you're working or how many time you want to spend on it. It is for large companies and for small companies, and it is for profit and it is for non-profit. The tools in this training have been applied by many managers in many different organizations. It is our ambition to help as many professionals as possible in the digital transformation of their organization.